ever just get down on your knees and thank God that you know me?
Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Stock Market Show. This is your host. Okay, Mara stock sitting at 18.82. I'm waiting for $18 on the money right here. Let's go. Come on down, nice and cheap. You can see resistance was here, and we would expect that to be support. That whole area essentially just look to buy it around 17. Let's just grab our rectangle box, nice and easy here. Let's not make it complicated. Boom. The share price should come down to at least that 17.8 and 18.20 range. I actually did buy at 18.5s, but I flipped it real quick for like 25 bucks if I recall. So we knew things were going to come back down. That's that easy. One thing I just want to where's my... Just the head and shoulder. Here's a shoulder. Here's a head. So maybe in the future we get another, something like that. Maybe something like that. I don't know. Just something to keep in mind in case that does play out in the future. Because I've seen this. This could be the start of the... This is the shoulder. This could be the head. And then we get another shoulder and we drop down. Something that could form in the future. I could see this coming back down to the purple line, which would be about 16. That could also happen. You can see, hey, look at that. Oh my God, doesn't that look kind of, isn't that interesting? Look at this. Isn't that interesting? Look at that huge pump, then we dump, then we create the shoulder here, and we tank to the purple line, actually just underneath it, to as low as 16 before rallying back to 20. So I have not bought any because you never know. You never know what could happen. That's an interesting pattern that happened last time. So yeah, I'm waiting for 18 still. Nothing has changed. The game plan is still 18s. Alright, so let's talk about Riot stock. Really, Mara and Riot are the only ones I keep track of. Riot, I prefer the volatility of Mara. Like, Mara can go up and down like $1. So, Riot is cool, but it's not as volatile. So, but there are people who like Riot. Man, the price action of Riot is interesting. So we got rejected at 12.20. We're getting pushed down. We should see it come down to 11.55. If Riot comes down to 11.55, then Mara should be at the 18 area. So it's up to you which one you want to buy, but pretty much the story is the same. They're going to follow each other, and I'm seeing this looks like a shoulder head, and then maybe, that happens. That's what I'm seeing. I'm not saying the head and shoulders is going to form, but it's something to be aware of. I don't see the head and shoulders on Bitcoin, funny enough. Oh, wait. Maybe, let me see. Where's that daily again? You know what's funny? I don't see it, but now on the weekly, let me see. Well, we'll see what happens. Big breakout. We're going to pull back. So Bitcoin should pull back to like 110 to 112, I imagine. Yeah, because buyers aren't showing up today. Like, buyers kept showing up all these other days. Today's the first day where buyers are just not, they're not interested in showing. It's just selling pressure. So... yeah, I do believe 112 is going to be the big 110 to 112 is going to be the big level for Bitcoin. So we should see, everything's lining up for everything to come, everything Bitcoin related to come down even cheaper. I know people love MSTR, so let me just look at MSTR real quick. MSTR.